Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best air fryers in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in 5th place, we have the GoWise USA 1700 watts 5.8 QT 8-in-1 digital air fryer. The GoWise USA air fryer is designed to bake, grill, and roast food with minimal oil. You can even prepare certain foods without any oil at all. It has a nice sleek aesthetic that gives it a very modern appearance. There are 8 different cooking presets to choose from, including fries and chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, fish, and pizza. This is definitely one of the most versatile air fryers on the market in terms of the foods that it can make. There is a start and stop button as well as a digital display that tells you the exact temperature. When you order this product, you will also receive a PFOA-free pan, as well as a detachable basket with a cool touch handle. This makes it easier for you to make all of your favorite foods within a matter of minutes. Some of the features of this air fryer include touchscreen display. This air fryer's digital display will tell you the exact temperature and allow you to choose from a number of different preset options. Recipe book. When you order this product, you will also receive a recipe book with tons of recipes. Alarm function. There is an alarm function that lets you set it for 5, 10, or 15 minutes. Frying pan. You also get a non-stick frying pan that also has a PFOA-free design. Some of the pros of this air fryer include its versatile design. You can use this air fryer to cook lots of different types of foods, including french fries, steak, chicken, pizza, and much more. Easy to use. There is nothing about this appliance that is complicated whatsoever. Multiple presets. You will have many different presets to choose from for cooking just about anything. If you're going to buy it, you will need to make room on your countertop. Coming in at around $80, the GoWise USA air fryer is an excellent choice for those who love fried foods. It has a user-friendly design and 8 different presets. The touchscreen display is very responsive and makes using this device much easier. Coming in 4th place, we have the Ninja air fryer. The Ninja air fryer will allow you to make your favorite foods with 75% less fat than normal. It offers temperature settings that range from 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with a 4-quart capacity ceramic non-stick basket, as well as a crisper plate for french fries. This air fryer is black and silver, with numerous buttons on the front for adjusting the time and temperature. On the bottom, you will find 4 more buttons for the air fry: roast, reheat, and dehydrate. There is also a power button to turn it on, and a start/pause button. The one-touch control panel is very simple and easy to use. The air fry option is best for crispy foods like chicken or french fries. The roast option is perfect for vegetables, casseroles, and more. The reheat setting is perfect for pizza, chicken wings, and other foods you want to reheat. And the dehydrate setting is great for making jerky or dried fruits. Some of the features of this air fryer include one-touch control panel. This air fryer's control panel allows you to get started with just the touch of a button. 4-quart basket. The large capacity frying basket this product comes with will allow you to make up to 2 pounds of fries at once. Multi-layer rack. The multi-layer rack that this appliance uses will increase your dehydrating capacity. Some of the pros of this air fryer include easy cleanup. All of the accessories that this air fryer comes with are completely dishwasher safe. Numerous programmable options. There are 4 different programmable cooking functions to choose from while making a variety of foods. Less fat. You can use this air fryer to make delicious fried foods with up to 75% less fat. One con of this air fryer is that it does not offer an alarm function, which is a bit disappointing. Coming in at about $100, the Ninja air fryer has a lot to offer. It can provide you with the ability to make everything from jerky to french fries, without all of the fat. It has an easy-to-use design and a one-touch control panel. The appliance itself has a nice modern design that will look good in any kitchen. Coming in 3rd place, we have the Simple Living XXL 5.8-quart digital air fryer. The Simple Living XXL 5.8-quart digital air fryer will help you take your fried foods to the next level. It can cook for an entire family of up to 7 people. There are a total of 7 unique presets, including fries, chicken, steak, shrimp, pork, cake, and fish. This air fryer's rapid hot air circulation allows you to cook your food anywhere from 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. There is also a 60-minute timer that you can use to ensure your food is never overcooked. The digital LCD touchscreen and knob control allows you to choose your presets, temperature, and cook time with ease. When you buy this air fryer, you will also get a 3-piece accessory set as well as a custom recipe book. This product is ETL certified and has a non-stick, memory-controlled cooking surfaces. You will also get a custom recipe book that will allow you to make delicious foods with this appliance with minimal effort. It has recipes for many different types of foods. Some of the features of this air fryer include 7 programmable modes. You will have numerous cooking modes to choose from for every type of possible food. LCD touchscreen. design. This appliance's touchscreen makes it easy to get the settings just right every single time you use it. Heat preservation. The heat preservation function allows you to keep your food warm so it doesn't get cold. Some of the pros of this air fryer include large capacity. The 5.8 quart capacity of this air fryer will allow you to feed up to 7 people with a single use. Non-stick cooking surfaces. The non-stick surfaces of this air fryer makes cleaning up so much easier. Fewer calories. You can reduce the calories in your favorite foods by up to 800% with this fryer. One con is that the fryer is pretty big and bulky, so it takes up a fair amount of space. Coming in at around $150, the Simple Living XXL air fryer has just about everything you could possibly want. The LCD touchscreen lets you choose from 7 different presets, allowing you to cook almost any type of food quickly and easily. Coming in second place, we have the Tefal FZ700-251 ActiFry. The Tefal FZ700-251 ActiFry has a convenient viewing window that will allow you to see how your food is coming along at all times. It also has a removable cooking pan and stirring paddle with a ceramic non-stick coating. This makes cleanup so much easier once you have finished your meal. All of the controls on this appliance are very user-friendly. There is a simple on-off button as well as a timer with a finish alarm. This air fryer has one button on either side for opening it up, so it doesn't matter if you are right or left-handed. The large capacity of this air fryer makes up to 2.2 pounds of food at a time, making it perfect for those with big families. It's also extremely useful if you have guests coming over for a meal. One of the great things about this device is that it doesn't take up much room, and it has a nice modern aesthetic. Some of the features of this air fryer include heat pulse system. The patented heating system this appliance uses is designed for optimal hot air circulation. Cool Touch Body. This air fryer's Cool Touch Body makes it safe to use and reduces the chances of getting burnt. Viewing window. The viewing window lets you see how your food is coming along while it cooks. Some of the pros of this air fryer include its ease of use. You shouldn't have any issues using this air fryer because of its incredibly simple design. Low maintenance. The removable basket makes it easy to clean this air fryer. All you have to do is run it through the dishwasher after every use. Efficient. This appliance circulates hot air efficiently so that your food is ready to eat in no time. One con of this air fryer is that the timer function does not shut off the heat cycle, so you'll have to do that yourself. Coming in at around $170, the Tefal FZ700-251 is an incredibly efficient and well-designed air fryer. It can cook many different types of foods, and it is very easy to use. The large basket capacity will let you make more than 2 pounds of food with each use. Coming in first place, we have the Philips HD 9641/96. The Philips HD 9641/96 air fryer uses TurboStar technology to cook fried foods 50% more evenly and efficiently. It has a quick control dial with a digital display that offers 4 different presets. This air fryer's 0.8 kilogram capacity features an easy click handle, allowing you to exchange accessories with minimal effort. There is also a keep warm function that will prevent your foods from getting cold too fast. While the body of this device is made out of plastic, it is still incredibly solid and durable. It has a nice modern design that will go well in just about any kitchen. You can set the timer up to 60 minutes, which can be useful for certain foods that require a longer cook time. If you want a way to make healthier fried foods, this appliance is an incredible option. Some of the features of this air fryer include quick control dial. The dial in this air fryer allows you to adjust the temperature to your exact needs quickly and easily. Presets. There are numerous presets for some of the more popular dishes. These buttons let you get started with the press of a button. Easy click handle. The handle on this appliance is removable and lets you change up accessories without any issues. Keep warm functions. You can keep the foods that you cook with this appliance warm with the keep warm function. Some of the pros of this air fryer include dishwasher safe parts. The drawer and food basket are both dishwasher safe, so you can save a lot of time while cleaning. Instant heat. You can begin cooking immediately without the need to preheat. Cooks efficiently. This air fryer is designed to distribute heat evenly for efficient cooking. One con of this air fryer is that there is no pause button, which can be a bit of an inconvenience at times. Coming in at around $250, the Philips HD 9641/96 is an incredibly efficient and reliable air fryer. It offers a large capacity basket that can make enough food for bigger families. There are numerous presets that you can choose for any food you want to cook. It's a very versatile option to say the least. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.